Hello friends and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making GW's quick and easy mountain chili. So to start with, you need a large pot, which we're going to put in there 1 pound of ground beef. Get your temperature up to medium high at least. And then we're going to add 1 medium onion, which is cut up. 1 cup of green and red peppers, which you can buy a blend of this, which is frozen, which saves a lot of money if you really want to save on that a bit. And to this, we're adding a half a teaspoon of pepper and a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of steak seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a half a teaspoon of paprika. And then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now once we get this all into our pot, we're going to want to start mixing it up a bit and get the temperature up to where it's going to start cooking your ground beef, because as it's cooking your ground beef, it's also cooking the vegetables at the same time. And once you get it all heated and stirred up, it'll look a lot like this. And once we get it to this point, we're going to add extra stuff to it. So we're going to have 2 cans of diced tomatoes, which have chilies in them. And then to that, we're going to add 2 cans of kidney beans. However, you do not want to drain these kidney beans. You just want to pour them straight out of the can. So go ahead and stir up as you're adding your ingredients. Go ahead and mix the beans completely through your pot and make sure everything is stirred through. And then to this, we're going to add 1.5 cups of water. Now that you have everything in the pot for the most part, you want to go ahead and mix this up. Get everything mixed through and make sure your temperature is up to high, so that way it can actually cook this for a few minutes. And then we're going to add hot sauce. Now you can add anywhere from a teaspoon to a couple tablespoons. It depends on how hot you like to eat things. And you can add or subtract, which is based on what you want to eat. You go ahead and stir this up for a little bit. And then we're going to turn the temperature down to low and let this cook for about 1.5 hours with the lid on. And then when it comes back, it's going to look like it's like this. And this is pretty much done at this point. You could probably turn the temperature off and let it sit till you're ready to have it. And this is what it looks like when I serve it. I put a little rice in the bottom of the bowl and then put the chili on top, and I serve it with corn muffins, which I've had a video for in the past, and I can leave a link to that in the description below. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my cookbook, which is available on Amazon and in bookstores worldwide. Have a great day.